Morning, guys. I just decided that I hadn't had enough of hating myself this weekend, so I figured why not do a rewatch of those crappy games that happened and see what we can do from there. So, that's where we're at. The matchups for watching our game one of the other night. We've got Travis as the Goths. This is his civs. You can see he's got 50 wood, 39 food, 43 gold. So decent numbers. We have Larry. Larry has the Slavs, 60, 50, and 68, and 34 on stone. Holy crap, Larry. Hashtag over boom much, but that's impressive. Must really want all that stone. I mean, I guess walling off is big, but he didn't even wall off. If you look up here, Taylor walled off. And he's got a lot of castles, but 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 castles, so okay. I mean, makes sense with what we're going to throw at him, though. That's why they wrecked us so much. And then Taylor, who is the Spanish, has 44, 57, 63, and 10. So, Spanish, Slavs, and Goths versus on the other side, we got myself. I believe I'm the Ethiopian. No, that's Taylor. So, yeah, I'm the Ethiopians, and I've got 63, 45, and 51. No one on stone. I think they just finished on stone. And then Spencer, who had 71, 78. Nice. And then 32. I like that. That's the number that I would want as the Goths like that. I mean, that just feels right to me personally. And then we have, let's see here, where's Alex? Alex, who's also Goths, going 30, 60, 28. So, a little behind, but he usually catches up. Just give him a minute. And, no, that was Spencer. We don't want Spencer. We want Austin. And Austin, 35, 53, 48. So, similar good numbers, getting there. Enough that you can do stuff. And you can see he's walling off there. I'm in the middle of walling off all of this. A lot of walls. So, let's get this thing going. Because treaties, we got 2 minutes left in treaties, so everyone's getting ready here. On this side, we see Taylor's building. He's already walling in his side. And all of his military's over here. We got Larry just ready to go. That just looks mean. Crouching, they're coming up on an area that's not super well defended. Alex, you walled in my dudes. Oh well. It is what it is. Tree drops in 5 seconds, so assuming that they're gonna start cutting up, they do. They start cutting here. On the other side, I'm cutting over here. But I'm gonna watch the middle because they're gonna be a little more exciting. Cutting through, doo-ba-doo. Larry's in. He's destroying all of this. We're not even watching. And Travis is in immediately. On the other side, I'm in, but Taylor's a little more on top of it. And they're getting in over here. We see Larry and Travis just going for it. Yeah, Spencer and Austin just didn't have any military up at all. Which is going to punch all of us in the face. And here comes Larry right into Alex's base. It's too bad, because we were really hitting over here. We pushed. Of course, I'm killing Alex's villagers that he set forward. So we moved Tanner. On the other side, Travis is already beating out Spencer's buildings. Larry's having a blast in Alex's base, just wrecking. How much is that? We need to see how much Alex has now. So Alex has 11 food and 20. So Alex has been just decimated by Larry quite quickly. And now Larry's in the trade, which is going to kill the trade too. So they just go in and just eat everything up. Now Larry's attacking more Spencer. Spencer just chilling there trying to recoup. I'm sure he's probably doing like 18 things at once right now. And we see that Travis is fighting Austin. And Austin's to the rescue. Almost walled it off. But not enough. On the other side, we've got Alex and me just fighting for every inch. We got Larry over here building stuff. But up the middle, we got Angry Travis doing the gut punch. Austin trying to plug the hole. And all the BBCs in. So you see Alex is slowly coming back, but not much. Let's see what's going on with Austin's econ. So Austin's got a lot going on still able to build. Spencer, oh yeah, Spencer got a ton. And he's at PopCap. He's at PopCap, which is troops. Okay, we gotta look at this. Spencer's got these guys and these guys. Alright, so that makes it. It's almost 100. Okay, so he just doesn't have much pop space. He just overmoved. Okay. And then over here, we have Alex pushing with me, kind of. Also just kind of holding is what it looks like. Oh, there he goes. There's that line. There's that line. And Austin's doing what Austin does best. We're going to just build some walls, which is exactly what we need. Now Alex is pushing up the middle here. The problem with Alex pushing up the middle here is Taylor's going to wreck me, I'm pretty sure. And Taylor's building the anti-infantry stuff. Should have gone Italians. That would have been powerful. Killed that. Yeah, and it looks like we've almost got him on the run here. That initial push, well, there's kind of all of this. What's going on with Larry City? He keeps doing stuff. Larry, where are you, Larry? There you are. Four, so he doesn't have any more of those guys. Okay. And then he's just sending dudes. Boats and hose, man. Boats and hose. Larry bringing up the trebs, and all of the military here is Larry. We're losing castles left and right. And then I'm just trying to hold. But these cavalry, I'll just eat through siege. Just, ooh, thank you. Gonna send siege at me? Great. All day long. And Larry's in Alex's base. We just got beat. That's really what it was. We just got beat. Because at this point, they're gonna just overwhelm everyone. Let's see here, we'll look at Alex's Civ again. Volcanics. So yeah, Alex is just running at about half speed the whole game. Larry's in Alex's base, just ending Alex. Let's just kill all the villagers. And then Travis coming up on Austin. And Larry's building trade on our castles on our side and taking out Austin's forward stuff. Just it is what it is, man. You can't beat him. Kid's a monster. And I do contend that Travis is playing better than me. At least as the Goths. And then he'll go as Japanese. Ugh. Just feels now. Look at this line of just green. The billion hounds. Put them all over everything. 1,000,000 hornets. Marion is forward building villagers. It's a good thing. I need to do more of that. Now we see my side's collapsing. Taylor's starting to just wreck. And Spencer's still sending troops to fight. And now Taylor's got troops over here too. So not only is Taylor on the left side, but he's also on the right side. Ridiculous. And we're just getting owned by all of the troops. So Travis is now into Austin. I don't know why it's all glitchy. Come on, computer. You can do it. We believe in you. Whenever you're sending Hussars, oh, this is what's happening. Oh, yeah, Austin cut through. He did a Hail Mary. I don't know why my computer's getting all wiggy, guys. Sorry about that. But Austin's definitely cutting through into Travis. See how this affects Travis. I doubt that it does enough. But Travis is going to say, oh man, you almost had me. I'm down to 44. So, where Alex was pre-getting hit, now he's into the trade and just killed a bunch. So, you know, raiding units can do terrible things, but they've all turned. Now, Spencer's just trying to, you know, save the front. Meanwhile, Larry's got all these troops just sitting in our trade. On the other side, Taylor's been inching forward, just inch by inch, mile by mile, taking what is his. He's not afraid. Is he plunging? But no, he's just going for that. The other side, Austin's still here, but now Larry and Travis are coming for him. It was a good move. It was a good play. It was a really good play. We didn't let Travis. We took Travis to sit out when he's rich so he can buy everything. Here, Austin's got. But Austin's dead too. And I bet Alex is dead too. Alex is pretty dead. I hate these sort of games. Ugh. And then I'm sure Larry's rich. Let's look at Larry. Boom. Yeah, Larry's still at full board. So, I'm going to fast forward this because the game's essentially over at this point. You can see that Travis goes back up the hole. Larry comes in. And Taylor owns everything. We're not able to hold anything. But maybe I'm not going to be able to finish in time. Alright, well, we'll pause and finish in a second.